Yo, did you know you could finally get paid for brushing your teeth? Well, it's here, and it's in cryptocurrency. So, this thing is called the Brush O. I bought this thing recently. Just got it in, I believe, Sunday. Today's Tuesday, so I've had it a couple of days. I'm not real sure how much money I'm going to make off of it just yet. I will do a follow up video of that later on. But the price point of it is solid. It is $149. That's about average for a powered toothbrush. When you order this thing, it gives you the toothbrush and two toothbrush heads along with the charging dock. Mine came in already charged, ready to use, uh, and it's pretty freaking neat. So I'll show you. I record this on my phone. It's kind of rough to pull up on my screen, but this is their app on your phone. You download it, you sync it to your phone, you sync it to your wallet, so on and so forth. Once you get it all set up, this is like the UI while you're brushing. It'll show, that you're brushing your teeth, and when you're doing it, the teeth right here light up white and they start getting more and more white. It's a 2-minute timer that they want you to brush your teeth. So it's not too bad. And once you're done, it automatically shuts off. You don't have to power it off. You don't have to do any of that. It's already doing its own thing. So this is the toothbrush along with its stand. That's a sticker right there. So I had to take that sticker off, but that's how it comes right there. As you see, there's a little pill in the middle. I had to take that off to get it going. That's the head. So they come in this little package. You scan it with the app. You get it synced with your toothbrush and your app, and you have to replace them every 3 months. If you let it go longer than 3 months, your revenue and profits start going down. These are some of the settings. You can set up a custom one. I haven't really played with the custom just yet, but that is an option for you to go around with. It comes with a set of instructions, a manual, all types of stuff when this thing comes in. Orthopedic, so if you have braces, anything like that, it has a setting for that, which is kind of nice. The battery length, I'm not entirely sure. I just put it back on the charger when I got her done. There's smoky for if you're a smoker. There's your tongue. There's deep clean. There's ultra gentle, gum care, white, clean, sensitive. Last but not least, there is the background with the sticker off. That's the power button. The settings are at the bottom. It's a pretty neat little thing. Mine came in pretty quickly. So if you want to order one of these, I'll have the link. I use Helium Deploy. You can use code IamWildDew. Get you a 10% discount on this, so it'll knock off a few bucks. The replacement heads actually aren't that expensive either. So when you get the heads, I believe they're like 30 bucks or something like that. Let's see, Brush O. Yeah, I was right on the money. 30 bucks, and that's 4 heads. That's enough for a year right there. Peace.